Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, before I jump into this today, I just want to let you know I've been under the weather. I did wash my hands about several times before I even got started. So you may hear some sniffing and stuff like that. I may sound like I'm muffled a little bit, and I apologize to you guys. I have not put up anything since maybe Monday or Tuesday or something like that. So that's why I have to put up something now. You know, I try to stand by my word. So hopefully I have 2 things coming up, and maybe tomorrow, maybe 2 more things. Okay, so let's jump right into this. All right, let's get it. All right, right here's some ground beef. Here's some cheese right here. And here's the can to the cheese, so I can move this out the way real quick. All right, this is some nacho cheese sauce from Gordon's, which is also known as GFS. All right, so I'm done with this can because I used half of this during the New Year's celebration with my family. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that. All I did was clean all of that out of there, okay, and put the rest in here. So I'm putting that in the garbage. All right, we have some tortilla strips. We have some Taco Bell seasoning. We have some sour cream. We have some cilantro, some green onions, some jalapenos, and some diced tomatoes. And this 2.5 pounds of ground beef. This is 80-20. I don't think I said that right. Or 28 is whatever. Anyway, like I said, I'm under the weather, so I'm just trying to bring you guys something. Okay? All right, this is a lime. I'll probably squeeze some of that on there later on. But this is what we're making. We're making the best Taco Bell Bellgrande at home, from my home to yours. All right, let's get started. Okay guys, I'm back, and all we're gonna do right here, we're gonna just take our ground beef, and we're just gonna put that in this skillet. Break it up if you can. I like to get it going. So it's almost like you're gonna be making like some taco meat. I was gonna go ahead and put the beans in there. My son didn't want the beans in there, so I decided not to do it. I'm going to make like a chili sauce, but he didn't want it like that. I guess with the cheese and the beans, it'd be too much, I guess. So that's all we're gonna do. Now, since I like a kick to mine, and I do know how to make my own taco seasoning. Like I said, you know, I'm under the weather. I don't like to keep repeating that, but I just want to let you know why I didn't do it. So I'm going to come up here to my cabinet. I'm going to get some black pepper. Sprinkle some of that in there. We're going to do like a teaspoon of that. Alright. I got some garlic. I'm going to do a teaspoon of that. I like to make mine taste a little bit stronger, my meat. Some onion. Teaspoon of that. Cumin. We'll go with a teaspoon of that. We don't need to do a teaspoon of that. We just do a half a teaspoon of the cumin. Okay. Now if you want to get jiggy with it, you can put some, like, if you want a little spicy, some red pepper flakes. But we're not gonna get into all that. We're not gonna do all that. You know, I get carried away in the kitchen. I'm not gonna even lie to you. So we're just gonna mix this up. That's all. I'm gonna cook this like this for about Good 3 to 4 minutes till it start breaking down. And then we're going to go ahead and put that seasoning pack in. And then cook it for another 4 to 5 minutes. Alright? See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. See how it's cooking all the water and stuff out of there? Now, at this point right here, I can utilize that water that's coming out of it. You can put your seasoning in it. Now, if you guys want some extra salt and stuff in yours, go right ahead. But me, it just don't make no sense because the cheese got a lot of salt in it as well. So you don't want to overwhelm it. You know what I'm saying? So it's up to you. If you want a lot of salt in yours, you can do it. This got salt in it already, so. Put that right there. Let's get to mixing this in. We're just gonna mix this, guys, for about a good 4 minutes and cook. That's the cooking time. We on medium heat. We're gonna cook it all the way to the meat. Medium, from start to finish. So far, it's been about 5 minutes. We're just gonna keep mixing. For another 3 or 4 minutes, and then we'll be done. I'll show you what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. I'm gonna go ahead and take some of this cheese and put it in this little measuring cup. If I can melt it, well, it's already melted. I just don't want it so thick. When I pour it on here, I put it on like 30 seconds. And that's it. That in the microwave, put a lid over that. We're gonna burn. Alright. Come in here with our meat. Put some meat in there. Much as you want. It's my son's. He's gonna eat all of this, I guarantee you. So that should be enough right there. Cheese should be done. We just pour some of this cheese on here. See how thick that is? Like that. Then we'll get our let's go with the no, we ain't do that one. We'll go with the sour cream. We'll just take us some sour cream, put it in the corners like that. Got enough for the young man. Okay. Then we come with our cilantro. Let's do some cilantro in there first. Okay. You're gonna tear this stuff up. I'm telling you. I know what I'm talking about. You're gonna tear it up. This is just something quick and simple for you guys to do. You know, it turned out pretty good for me. I didn't make it for the holiday or nothing like that. I made like a nacho supreme or something. So come in with some tomatoes. Alright, some onions. These are green onions, of course. Some jalapenos. Still you put jalapenos in there. I don't know how hot he want his, but I just throw a few of them in there for him. And that's it. That is it. Cut this line, and he's winning all day. So, throw some lime in there. One on each side or whatever. And that's it. Right there. The best Taco Bell Bellgrande at home. Hope you guys liked this video. And if you did, consider subscribing to the channel. Tell all your friends and family to tune in to VELDOGG's Kitchen. And don't forget to give me a like, comment, and subscribe. And please hit that bell for me. Yes, hit that bell for me so I can know who you are and I can comment to you and show the love that you deserve. I appreciate every last one of you guys from tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG's Kitchen in a minute.